Thanks for joining me while I make myself a big old glass of milk tea with this organic matcha green tea powder from Cherie Sweetheart. This tea is ground up super fine, so it'll dissolve into my almond milk. It's got a gorgeous green hue to it. It matches the color on the packaging, which for me is always a big plus. I like when they're truthful in their advertisements. There is a Prop 65 warning on the packaging, but I'm seeing that more and more these days, so I don't know what to make of that. The aroma is wonderful. I really love the deep, musky, complex green tea smell that comes out of a good matcha. This matcha is easily fit for doing smoothies, lattes, baking, recipes, or in my case, I'm doing milk tea. I started off with about a teaspoon worth of tea, and we're going for roughly 8 ounces of almond milk, and I can always add more later if I need it. At times I've put chocolate in, I've put extra vanilla in, put all kinds of things in. You can make your milk tea however you want. Speaking of however I want, I took a look at this and decided I wanted it to be a little stronger, so I put some more matcha in it. After shaking it some more at an inhumanly fast rate of speed, here's what we got. And if you like your matcha strong the way that I do, that must look pretty good. And I'll admit, I didn't shake it quite enough, so there are still some unmixed bits in there, but this is still going to be great to drink, so I'm going to drink it as is. And I'll just mix those bits in when I get to it. That hits the spot. That's good. You could easily add sweetener to it, but I don't. I like the flavor as is. I've been drinking this a couple of times a week and really enjoying it, and this 16-ounce bag should last me for quite a while.